Hello my ladies, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another beautiful episode on this channel. I appreciate you for clicking on this video. Thank you so very much. I appreciate you all. So in this episode, I am super excited to share with you those beautiful braid styles for black ladies. Are you a black lady? You have been looking for braid styles to rock this season. These styles surely got you covered. Do also let me know what you think about them in the comments. Would you love to try any of these hairstyles on? Share with me. I will be there to read and to respond to all of your comments. If you enjoy watching the video, you love the styles that are being showcased, do well to give it a massive thumbs up. Remember to share with others as well so they get to see those beautiful hairstyles. If you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome to press the like some more fashion, where you get updated on the latest trends in fashion styles and hairstyles. If these are the kinds of videos that you enjoy and love watching, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever there is a new upload on the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you all in my next one. Bye.